Now Dave is going to use a feature of the pipe bender that allows him to expand the end of a piece of pipe. We're using this older pipe here that had been on a car before, and he's expanding the inside diameter of the tailpipe to compensate for the way the original muffler clamps crushed the pipe a little bit. This is just to aid in the test fitting there, because the pipe has to come on and off of the muffler a few times in order to get everything lined up perfectly. We determined where to put the muffler based on where the tailpipes look best coming out. Since we're using pre-bent pipes on this job, there's a little bit of adjustment we have to do to make things look real good. So here he's expanding the pipe again just to get it as big as he can without having it so large it won't clamp back onto the muffler. And he'll test fit this a few times.